Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic that sparked endless discussions, debates, and sometimes even confusion: feminism. Now I know this word can mean different things to different people, but let's take a moment to really understand what feminism is at its core. What is feminism? Let's first understand what feminism really means. Feminism is a movement for women's rights, covering basic rights like the right to vote, the right to acquire land and property, fundamental rights to education, the freedom to express opinions, the right to receive promotions based on performance, and the ability to run a business with dignity without facing discrimination. In simple terms, it's about the right to be respected and to live with dignity, just like men in the society. Nobody wants a male-dominated or a female-dominated society. So, if the principles of feminism are that straightforward, where does it all get twisted? Why are some men and women against this ideology? And what are the issues with modern feminism? Let's discuss about issues with modern feminism. However, the movement has taken some problematic turns. Some individuals now push for female superiority over men, behaving disrespectfully towards other genders, especially men. There are high divorce rates, incidents of cheating, casual relationships, and moments like the Free Nipple March. Additionally, some people take advantage of their gender for legal protection or make false accusations against men for monetary benefits, exploiting loopholes in the legal system. Popular culture, including Bollywood, sometimes influences this trend by promoting actions that are viewed as freedom but can be harmful. And yes, while we celebrate freedom and bodily autonomy, some extreme views have made it seem like feminism is about rejecting all the traditions or relationships. This image has caused some people to distance themselves from the movement altogether, thinking it's become more about division than unity. So, let's discuss why feminism is necessary. Real feminism is still needed because many women struggle for basic rights and face significant injustices. Women, especially in rural areas, often endure domestic violence, dowry demands, practices like sati, unequal pay for the same work, workplace harassment, objectification, exclusion from inheritance, female feticide, and a lack of access to education. These issues have historically led to the need for a movement to celebrate womanhood and affirm its importance to society by ensuring equal opportunities. So, what is the conclusion? So, here's the real deal. Feminism isn't something we should be afraid of or feel divided by. It's a moment of respect, equality, and dignity for all genders. And it's up to us to focus on the true meaning of feminism, supporting everyone's right to a fulfilling life. We must understand the difference between the genuine upliftment of women and false propaganda from groups that promote extreme or illogical ideas under the label of feminism. People should not fear feminism. it should be embraced by all, regardless of gender. Let me know your perspective on this topic in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.